Toss-up 1. Physical science, short answer. What radioactive isotope of carbon is prominently used in radiometric dating? Answer: carbon-14. Bonus 1. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following scientific principles is most directly used in a stationary handheld radar gun to determine the speed of a car? W. Bernoulli's principle. X. The Doppler effect. Y. Newton's second law of motion. Z. The theory of relativity. Answer: 10. The Doppler effect. Toss-up 2. General science, multiple choice. Which of the following pairs of metric volume units are not equal? W. Milliliter and cubic centimeter. 10. Centiliter and cubic millimeter. Y. Liter and cubic decimeter. Z. Kiloliter and cubic meter. Answer: 10. Centiliter and cubic millimeter. Bonus 2. General science, short answer. To the nearest whole number, 100 kilometers per hour is how many meters per second? Answer: 28. Toss-up 3. Math, short answer. What is the equation of the horizontal line that passes through the point with coordinates 5, 6? Answer: y equals 6. Bonus 3. Math, multiple choice. A rectangle is to be constructed using a given segment as one of its diagonals. How many different segments could possibly be the second diagonal of this rectangle? W. 1. 10. 2. Y. 4. Z. An infinite number. Answer: Z. An infinite number. Toss-up 4. Energy, multiple choice. Which of the following alternative energy sources provides the most energy in the U.S.? W. Wind. 10. Hydropower. Y. Biomass. Z. Solar. Answer: 10. Hydropower. Bonus 4. Energy, short answer. What country has produced the most coal worldwide for the last 10 years? Answer: China. Toss-up 5. Life science, short answer. What regions of non-coding RNA are removed from a transcript before translation? Answer: introns. Bonus 5. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is the major difference between Lamarck's and Darwin's theories of evolution? W. Lamarck's theory could be applied to giraffes. X. Lamarck's theory involves changes to a population. Y. Darwin's theory involves changes to a population. Z. Darwin's theory involves changes to an individual. Answer. Y. Darwin's theory involves changes to a population. Toss-up 6. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is a major component of marine snow? W. Salt. 10. Frozen water. Y. Calcium carbonate. Z. Fecal matter from zooplankton. Answer. Z. Fecal matter from zooplankton. Bonus 6. Earth and space, short answer. Edwin Hubble developed a four-type classification for galaxies that is often displayed in a tuning fork diagram. What are the four types? Answer. Elliptical, spiral, barred spiral, irregular. Toss-up 7. Energy, multiple choice. What is the number one tip the Department of Energy has for homeowners to save money on energy bills? W. Lower the temperature on your water heater. 10. Use a power strip for your electronic equipment. Y. Use natural lighting rather than artificial. Z. Install and set a programmable thermostat. Answer. Z. Install and set a programmable thermostat. Bonus 7. Energy, short answer. While E10 fuel is known to reduce carbon monoxide emissions, it is also thought to increase emissions of what triatomic pollutant? Answer. Ozone. Toss-up 8. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following phenomena is not related to burning fossil fuels? W. Increased atmospheric CO2 levels. X. Magnetic reversals. Y. Acid rain. Z. Mercury pollution. Answer. 10. Magnetic reversals. Bonus 8. Earth and space, multiple choice. The intertropical convergence zone is the low-pressure zone of rising, warm air found in what atmospheric circulation cell? W. Ferrel. 10. Hadley. Y. Polar. Z. Wegener. Answer. 10. Hadley. Toss-up 9. Math, short answer. The temperature at 9 a.m. was 67 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature rose 4 degrees per hour, what was the temperature, in degrees Fahrenheit, at 2 p.m.? Answer: 87. Bonus 9. Math, multiple choice. Which of the following translations changes the graph of y equals x squared into that of y equals open parenthesis x plus 3 close parenthesis squared plus 6? W, 6 units down and 3 units to the left. 10, 6 units down and 3 units to the right. Y, 6 units up and 3 units to the left. Z, 6 units up and 3 units to the right. Answer: Y, 6 units up and 3 units to the left. Toss-up 10. Life science, multiple choice. What is the name of the bone in the human chin? W. Maxilla. X. Mandible. Y. Hyoid. Z. Palatine. Answer: 10. Mandible. Bonus 10. Life science, multiple choice. What is the largest part of the brain? W. Cerebrum. X. Cerebellum. Y. Midbrain. Z. Pons. Answer: W. Cerebrum. Toss-up 11. General science, multiple choice. If the widest point on a population pyramid is located at the middle age range, then population growth is W. Positive. X. Negative. Y. Neutral. Z. Indeterminate. Answer: X. Negative. Bonus 11. General science, short answer. A data set includes a few points that are well out of the range of the rest of the points. What are these points called? Answer: outliers. Toss-up 12. Physical science, short answer. Kinetic energy of an object is determined by what two properties of the object? Answer: speed and mass. Bonus 12. Physical science, short answer. What is the electric charge of the subatomic particle that carries electromagnetic force? Answer: 0. Toss-up 13. General science, short answer. What does a tachometer measure? Answer: rotational motion. Bonus 13. General science, short answer. What temperature in degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 40 degrees Celsius? Answer: 104. Toss-up: 14. Earth and space, short answer. Lahars are typically associated with eruptions of what type of volcanoes? Answer: stratovolcanoes. Bonus: 14. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following three statements that are true of oligotrophic lakes. 1. They are nutrient poor. 2. They contain abundant algae. 3. They typically have clear blue water. Answer: 1 and 3. Toss-up: 15. Life science, short answer. What is the term used to describe the embryonic leaf in a seed? Answer: cotyledon. Bonus: 15. Life science, short answer. What is the term for the long bone of the upper arm of tetrapods? Answer: humerus. Toss-up: 16. Energy, short answer. The Ames laboratory produced approximately 2 million pounds of uranium to contribute to what World War II effort? Answer: the Manhattan Project. Bonus: 16. Energy, multiple choice. Light water reactors are an example of which of the following? W. Fast neutron reactor. X. Fusion reactor. Y. Thermal neutron reactor. Z. Fast breeder reactor. Answer: Y. Thermal neutron reactor. Toss-up: 17. Math, multiple choice. Two functions that are inverses of each other must be reflections of each other through which of the following? W. The line y equals x. X. The x-axis. Y. The y-axis. Z. The origin. Answer: W. The line y equals x. Bonus: 17. Math, short answer. Solve the following equation for x over the negative real numbers, x to the fourth power minus 3x squared minus 28 equals 0. Answer: negative the square root of 7. Toss-up: 18. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following compounds is covalently bonded? W. Calcium oxide. 10. Carbon monoxide. Y. Lithium bromide. Z. Sodium chloride. Answer 10. Carbon monoxide. Bonus 18. Physical science, short answer. What phenomenon, also known as petesis, was described by Einstein as the result of random collisions of small molecules? Answer: Brownian motion. Toss-up 19. Earth and space, multiple choice. Where can most deserts be found? W. In the horse latitudes and on the lee side of mountains. 10. At the equator and on the lee side of forests. Y. Near inland seas. Z. Wherever humans use too much water. Answer: W. In the horse latitudes and on the lee side of mountains. Bonus 19. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 constellations that would be visible in the night sky over the North Pole on New Year's Eve. 1. Mensa, 2. Cassiopeia, 3. Ursa Major. Answer: 2 and 3. Toss-up 20. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following causes a drop of liquid to be rounded? W. Viscosity. X. Surface tension. Y. Nucleation. Z. Adhesion. Answer: X. Surface tension. Bonus 20. Physical science, short answer. What principle states that it is impossible to know the position and the momentum of a particle simultaneously? Answer: Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Toss-up 21. Math, multiple choice. What is the minimum number of lines of symmetry for an isosceles trapezoid? W 0. 10 1. Y 2. Z 4. Answer: X 1. Bonus 21. Math, short answer. Jimmy must create a new password for his account using the following criteria. It must begin with 2 English letters, followed by 3 digits. The letters may not be repeated. The digits may be repeated, but the password cannot end in 0 or 1. How many different passwords are possible? Answer: 520,000. Toss-up 22. Physical science, short answer. What gas law states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature in kelvins if the pressure and number of particles of gas are constant? Answer: Charles's law. Bonus 22. Physical science, short answer. What type of materials will create an induced magnetic field opposite to an externally applied magnetic field? Answer: diamagnetic. Toss-up, 23. Life science, short answer. What is the term for the single cell that forms when a sperm cell and an egg cell combine? Answer: zygote. Bonus, 23. Life science, short answer. What is the term for the flexible tissue that holds bones together? Answer: ligament.